Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the bcrypt.dll file is missing or not found or corrupted. Let's fix it guys. So typically this issue related to the DirectX redistributable package. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. This will help you to fix the corrupted files in your computer guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. So kindly please wait until this 100% is done. After getting done, you just need to copy the second command and paste it guys. The second command finish up 100%. You just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your bcrypt.dll file is missing, error has been fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.